Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to a PC. It's important to note that PS4 controllers do not connect via HDMI. That cable is for video and audio output. Instead, you'll use either a USB cable or Bluetooth wireless technology. We'll cover both simple methods to get your DualShock 4 controller working seamlessly with your computer, ensuring a great gaming experience. Connecting your PS4 controller via USB is the simplest method. Just take a standard micro USB cable, the same type used for many smartphones, and plug one end into the controller. Then, connect the other end directly into an open USB port on your computer. Your PC will typically recognize the controller instantly, installing any required drivers automatically. The design of the OP18K focuses on both performance and comfort. Its symmetrical shape is thoughtfully crafted to suit a wide range of grip styles, from claw to fingertip, ensuring a comfortable experience during long sessions. The mouse glides effortlessly across your pad thanks to its pure PTFE feet, and the super flexible paracord cable virtually eliminates drag, giving you unrestricted movement and a truly wireless-like feel. While your controller will work with basic functions, installing third-party software like DS4 Windows can greatly enhance your experience. This application allows for extensive customization, including button remapping, adjusting stick sensitivity, and even changing the light bar color. It also helps by emulating an Xbox 360 controller, which many PC games natively support, ensuring broader compatibility and a smoother gaming session.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.